First, lay out all of the components. Place aside all of the 5 of parts B. Remove 2 of parts A, and put away as spares. Take 5 parts from A, and insert clip D, as shown here. Flip and insert a clip part C, through clip part D, to back clip. Repeat this process so you have 11 stacks. Spread apart one of the 11 stacks and clip part C, as shown here. To start to form the light, connect another stack as it aligns, shown here. Align the next part and connect clips part C, as shown here. Repeat this process to form half of the light. Flip the light over to start forming the top half. To attach the optional silicone bulb cover, slide the silicone cover on top of the lamp holder. Take parts B, then unscrew and insert the cord grip part G. Unwind part F, and thread through the cord into the cord gripper. If your floral is larger than 800 mm, please follow the next instructions for the top. First, lay out the components for the top. Unscrew and insert the suspension cord grip part G. Unwind part F, and thread through the cord into the cord gripper. Measure to check that the bulb holder will sit slightly above middle of the light. Tighten the cord gripper. Place the stack of part B top into the light. Gently line up the top with the supporting parts. Use the screws part E, unscrew and connect the top with the supporting parts. Well done! You have successfully made your kit set light.
Hi, thank you for buying one of our lights. I hope you enjoyed making it. It's fun. And thank you also for being part of our seed system. We do everything we can to be as environmentally responsible, and you being part of that by embracing the kit set making of the lights reduces the impact of those lights on their environment. Thank you very much. Please follow us on our social media. Keep up to date with our whānau, with our family. Enjoy your light. Kia ora.